Hi everyone, I often get asked to recommend the best serums, but the definition of best changes according to skin concern, what your requirements are, and what we can achieve. But today in this video, I will tell you 5 serums that I really like, which can be used to treat different concerns such as uneven skin tone, dark spots, oily skin, and wrinkles. Let's get started. First concern is to reduce acne marks and make skin tone more even. Well, the acne marks are a common complaint. More than acne, it's the marks that remain on the skin for a long time that can be very troublesome, that can make your skin look more uneven and dull. So in order to reduce this serum can help. This is the Reconstruct Clearing Serum. This contains 2% alpha-arbutin and 5% niacinamide along with Dictropteris membranaceae. So alpha-arbutin helps in reducing melanin production by blocking the enzyme tyrosinase. Niacinamide reduces melanin distribution and hence reduces dark spots. And Dictropteris membranaceae is an antioxidant which reduces free radical damage and reduces dark spots. So overall, this is a good serum for those who are looking to reduce dark spots and make skin tone more even. Use 3 to 4 drops on the whole face twice in a day and make sure to follow it up with a sunscreen in the morning. In about 3 to 4 weeks time, you'll see an improvement in your dark spots. Now let's talk about anti-aging. Whenever we look at anti-aging skincare, so see, there is nothing like anti-aging. We can only slow the process of aging. So these serums can help in slowing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. I usually like to divide it into beginner and advanced level. If you're just somebody who is starting out with a skincare routine and you're looking to include some serums that can help in slowing aging, then go for a gentle retinol. This Neutrogena Wrinkle Repair Serum is really good. This is very moisturizing on the skin and gentle on the skin, yet effective. It helps in making your skin appear smoother. So this can be used at night. Start with alternate nights. If you're able to tolerate, you can use it every night. Make sure to follow this up with a moisturizer. For a more advanced level, I would recommend the Minimalist Retinol Cream. This is not a serum, but still a really good product in order to reduce the fine lines and wrinkles and improve your overall skin texture. But this one is not for beginners. I would suggest that if you are using a skincare routine for at least 6 to 9 months and then you want to upgrade your skincare, then you can start using a retinol. Always start slow. Start with a sandwich method. First apply a layer of moisturizer, then this retinol and then a moisturizer. This way it will cause less irritation to the skin and you'll be able to tolerate it better. Start with once in a week, then twice in a week and then alternate nights. I think you can leave it to alternate nights and on the other nights, just moisturize your skin. This works really well in improving your skin texture. In about 4 to 6 weeks of regular usage, you will be able to notice results. Of course, improvement in fine lines and open pores can take up to 6 to 9 months, but your skin texture will start looking better in just 4 to 6 weeks. One additional serum which helps in slowing the aging process is the Copper Peptide Serum. I really like this one by Amino. Slightly on the expensive side, but you can use this on alternate nights and try to save on the amount that you use so that this serum will last longer for you. This contains copper peptides, which are humectants, which have been moisturizing the skin. Also, peptides send signals to the fibroblast cells to make more collagen. So if you use it for about 6 to 8 weeks, you will notice an improvement in fine lines and also in open pores and overall skin quality. So this is a really good serum to include. Slightly on the expensive side. Use it sparingly about 3 to 4 times in a week. Even that is enough in order to see results. Then you can use this Novology Biphasic Serum. This Novology Biphasic Hyperpigmentation Serum is a good choice. It contains niacinamide, hexylresorcinol, and retinyl propionate. So it acts on all the levels of dark spots. So the hexylresorcinol helps in reducing melanin synthesis, niacinamide reduces melanin distribution, and retinyl propionate increases cell turnover in order to shed the older, darker looking skin. So it acts on all the 3 levels of dark spots and helps in fading dark spots quickly. It is a biphasic serum, so make sure to shake it properly before using. You can use 3 to 4 drops on the affected area or on the whole face at night. In about 4 to 6 weeks time, you'll notice an improvement in your skin. Now for oily skin. Oily skin can be problematic because it makes your skin look a little dull and also there is prominence of open pores. So in order to reduce the oiliness in open pores, there is one ingredient which can help. Yes, salicylic acid. So this the Dermaco 2% salicylic acid serum is a good choice. It contains salicylic acid which gets concentrated in the oil forming glands and causes gentle exfoliation of the skin and reduces the formation of blackheads and whiteheads. It also contains witch hazel which reduces inflammation and willow bark extract which causes gentle exfoliation. So overall, this serum works really well if you are somebody with oily acne prone skin and somebody with oily skin and open pores. You will notice an improvement in your skin when you use this serum. This serum can be used twice in a day, 3 to 4 drops on the affected area or the whole face. So with these serums, you'll be able to tackle dark spots, unevenness, pigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles, and also oily skin. Let me know if you've used any of these products and which one's your favorite. I hope you found this video useful. If you like such skin and hair related content, you can follow me on my Instagram handle, Dr. Aanchal MD, where I post such skin and hair related content daily. Thank you for watching.